Friends, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to discuss more on how to apply LinkedIn job profile, and you all know how important that everybody should be having a LinkedIn profile. So let's understand what is LinkedIn profile. As you all well aware that LinkedIn is a professional networking platform widely used by individuals and the business for career related process. It serves in an online resume allowing user to showcase their work experience, skills, educations and accomplishment. LinkedIn profile helps professionals connect with colleagues, potential employers and other industry experts, forecasting a vast professional network. And first and foremost thing, if you do not have a LinkedIn profile, I would always suggest to create an inside company profile. So it gives a wider ranges of searches. Being Begin by creating a comprehensive LinkedIn profile. Include details about your work history, educations. Let's say that this is my profile, so I just view go profile, and you should add all your relevant experience here, like include all your educational experience and any relevant certificates. I have added my certificates here, and you can add all those things and any relevant certificates. mm, and add your professional profile picture, and the banner pictures that will enhance your visibility. And job search, next is your job search. There you go, notifications. Here I already given certain job search, so view job, and you can utilize the search bar to look for a job search. This is a search bar, and you can search by job title or company or locations and any other keyword. LinkedIn also provides job recommendations based on your profile and interest, right? So I already have given certain job search in Canada, that is recruiters, and you can apply directly by many job postings on LinkedIn allows you to apply directly through the platform and click to the job that interests you, review the job descriptions and click the apply button. And some listing may redirect you to the company website to the complete the applications. So for example, this does not have an easy to apply. This job has an easy apply features. So some job posting features that easy apply button. With the features, you can submit your LinkedIn profile or upload your resume to cover letter directly. Ensure your profile is up to date and highlighting your relevant skills and experience. So let's say if you just click on easy apply, you'll get the relevant informations about yourself. So if you have resume is already updated, that's when you get this kind of thing. So you can go next, and I already have a resume, otherwise you can go to upload resume. Okay, next. And they're asking what is the level of proficiency in English. I would say that native or bilingual. What is your level of proficiency in French? I would say no. So I submit my application. Sometimes they may ask your cover letter as well. So once you submit the resume, you get the notifications to your mail ID. Okay, so that's the thing. And second is networking. Here this is a networking where you will get to connections with people. People will send a request message to you to accept, or you can also send a request message to them to accept you. This is LinkedIn is not just for the applications, it is powerful networking tool. Connect with the professionals in your field, join relevant group and participate in the discussion. Networking can open doors to job opportunities in the industry. So next is wider ranges of job opportunities. How to search, again we'll go here. Before that, let us understand. See, this is the connections that I have and contacts and following and followers, and I have joined to more than 72 groups. It is always good for you to go to groups and join, so that you can search for a job. For example, your jobs in UK, KSA and UAE, Qatar, Bahrain, Kuwait, you can always post your resumes here, and if there is any requirements they can also call you. And yeah, LinkedIn hosts job postings from companies in all sizes of industries and providing vast array of job opportunities for the professionals at different career stages. Direct applicants, you can also directly to job openings without the need for third party job portals, and streamlining the applications process, and professional networking as I already discussed, and company insight. LinkedIn allows you to research companies thoroughly. You can follow companies you are interested in and receive updates about their culture and job openings. Let's go here and search for the job. Okay, we'll search for the jobs here. Recruiter, or see, lot of openings are available here. Some, like, if you can click on this, it will directly redirect to company. There you can go and fill all this information and submit your resume. Otherwise, here you can go follow the company, so that whenever the company has the opening, you will be notified, or they share all the information, so you can go through, understand what is the company is all about. The company's job description will be given here about the job. You can go through it, and responsibilities and qualifications required. Any company, any kind of openings that you are looking for, it is possible to apply. And let's say that I just search job in Germany. All right, jobs in Germany. Okay, I selected German. Here I put SAP SuccessFactor. I have recently finished this course, SAP SuccessFactor. Now it is more demand in German, so I just put SAP SuccessFactor consultant. So I just click here. I'll get lot of opportunities here. What I would do, I just go here, click. Otherwise, you can directly message to the recruiter. Sometimes if you're lucky enough, you can directly message. For example, see this job opportunity, I can directly message her, so that she can reply me back immediately. If you are sending our resumes, you may not get reply. See here that I get an automated message from LinkedIn. Hi Sandra, I hope you are doing well. I'm interested the role you posted, in-house SAP HCM consultant. This is the company name of in German. Based on my experience as an IT recruiter, payroll manager, SAP HCL, I believe I could be a good fit. Are you open to quick chat and discuss the position? I would love to learn more about it and share more about my own qualification. I look forward to learning from you. So I just put this information and send it. What will happen? I get a automated message from her. Right? Yeah. Any job that I'm applying there in LinkedIn, I would be getting notification here. Say that as your application was sent to Empire Life, and I have to wait for them. This is all in automated messages. So let's go back again. See this job, in-house SAP HCM consultant. Suggestion is always, before applying, try to understand what sort of job it is, where they are applying. They're asking for. Job description will be given here clearly, and what are the benefits about the company. If you can follow, you can see the company's benefits. I try to apply messages rather sending a mail. See, in this also I got a message that she is in UK, Europe, technical recruiter. So easily I can WhatsApp her also. I just copy this number and keep it, so that in future if I wanted to WhatsApp, I can WhatsApp. That's wonderful opportunity that any people who are looking for job. So that is so easy to do, but you have to be little patient. You have to keep ready all your documents and your resume ready to do all these things. So if you want any help in this regard to write your resume, or to send to get a notifications, how to get a easy notifications to your mail ID, those informations, if you can contact our team will help you in this regard. For him, see, if I'm sending a message to him, this is in a premium options where I cannot send it. Some jobs we can send it, and most of the jobs it will be a premium options. They, in order to avoid fake people, they are kept as in a premium option. So if you want to follow the company, you can come follow. If you're not able to understand what is this requirement all about, you just copy all these things, copy all this content till the end, because it is there in German language. I just put it in the translations about the job currently looking for SAP success factors, and my client below will be find requirement profile, and yeah, so you reached character.